Hello everyone, I'm Amy, and today we embark on a trip to Aso, a tiny city in the heart of the biggest volcano caldera in Japan. This will be a starting point to several little trips around the caldera in order to explore its natural wonders. Let the video begin. Enjoy! Hello everyone, I left the hotel in Nagasaki and I'm on my way to Aso. So it's quite a long way. It's more than 3 hours to go, and I took the tram to the station this morning, then the first Shinkansen, then I changed to another one, and now I'm going to take my third one, and then I'm going to change again to a fourth one. So it's kind of a long journey. Okay, I'm on my way to take my last train finally. 利用地駅から中浜駅間において、後ろから16時頃の時間帯に、I made it to my last train. There's a couple of French people right next to me. Let's not film the mister. So yeah, I'm in my last train, so I've got 13 minutes till Aso station, and then apparently the hotel is around 5 minutes by foot. So that's really nice. The fuck, I don't know where I saw that it was 13 minutes. It's like more than 1 hour to go. I think it's a slow train, that's why. I don't mind though. We'll see. I hope the view is going to be great because I'm next to the window, so we'll see. I just arrived in Aso and I cannot go to the hotel. No, I can, I guess, but the check-in is at 4. So I'm going to eat now. It's 1:30, and I will go to the hotel after that to just put my suitcase. But because I cannot just go around here with my suitcase, it would be really inconvenient. Okay, so I just finished eating, and the guest house was like 50 meters away from the restaurant. So there was a luggage room, so I just put my luggage in there. I'm next to, not far from a temple. Where is the temple? Oh, it looks, the vibe here is different. The stairs are all mossy and the walls and the trees. It's so pretty. That tree is absolutely huge. So we have to do a check size of the tree. Let me show you how big it is. Okay, let's put that over here. Yeah, okay, let me show you. Here, you see, even if I put my arms up like that, and here, if I go behind the tree, I disappear. I disappeared right now. And if I put my hand like up on the side, you don't see nothing. This is how big this tree is. I would love to know like how old it is though. I need to translate the Japanese and we'll see. I love this tree. It's huge. I'm really happy we came to this temple. Oh gosh, like with the yellow foliage like all around the floor, like, and also still in the tree with still a little bit of like greenish foliage too. It's absolutely amazing. Good morning everyone. It's almost 9 and I'm going to take the bus to go see my first summit here. It's still pretty foggy, so I don't know if I will see a lot of things, but maybe it will be going clearer because there's like 1 hour to go, so we'll see. So yeah, let's go take the bus. I don't really know where it is. So cool. Okay guys, I'm in the bus. It was actually easy. So the bus stop is at the station, the train station. So I just had to go there and basically wait. Okay, so I've just arrived at the bus stop and the view from here is amazing. Look at that. It's all beautiful greenery. And so now I'm going to just walk up to the top. I thought it was going to be like a hike, you know, not a long one, but a hike, and it's not. So it's like that, with like the parking lot and everything, and then the road to go up. I mean, I'm not saying like the hills are really pretty. I love the colors. I actually really love the colors here. But yeah, there's so many people because it's accessible by car, so it's easy to come. I did a little mix between go and come. Come. Okay, maybe there's a lot of people, but the view is worth it. I'm not even at the top, and there's a sea of cloud right behind my eyes. But look at the color of the vegetation. Like the green, brown stuff. I love it. Over there, you have the little road you take to go up. And it's like so full of people. I mean, I'm one of them, but you know. And yeah, clouds, clouds, clouds. The peak with all of the people. Yeah, we're basically in the middle of clouds. So here we're in Aso, and Aso is a caldera. So a caldera is formed after a really huge volcanic eruption. And here in Aso, between 270,000 years ago and 90,000 years ago, there was like a lot of them. And so at some point, the lava chamber just collapsed and it formed the caldera, the big one. But inside the caldera, there's still cones. There's still like little volcanoes. And those ones kept going, kinda, and they're still active today. Aso and the volcanoes in Aso are really active. A pyroclastic flow is all of the ashes and fragments that go up during an eruption, and in Aso, the biggest that happened is the biggest that happened ever in Japan during the last 100,000 years. And the deposit of those ashes in some places attained the height of 4 to 5 story buildings. So it was really big. And in some places that were really far. Konnichiwa. Yeah, in some places that were really far, like Hokkaido Island. So yeah, it's quite far. there's like deposit ashes of to like 15 centimeters, so it's quite a lot. Can you guys see? We have a wild Mario. He's just sitting alone. I'm a bit bummed out because, well, it's raining a bit, but that's okay. I don't care. But the next bus is in 1 hour. It means I have to wait for 1 hour on the side of the road. And I have to eat too. So I think what I'm going to do is take this bus. There's a rose garden, a bit like 10 minutes away by bus. The rose garden, I think, is next to a tiny little city. So I'll find a place to eat there, and then I will take another bus and go back to Asso station, I guess. Don't know. What the fuck? There is... Wait, let me show you. This is unreal. I love this. Should I wait here for the bus? It's so unreal. Found this great place on the side of the road. I was not expecting that. And the guy inside is so nice. And he speaks English. It's like the back of his truck, and he put like an umbrella, and I'm sitting underneath because it's raining. And I'm at the Asso Milk Factory Rose Garden. Because apparently Asso is really well known for its milk. And yeah, I'm just visiting the Rose Garden, and then I will go eat. Having tea time here would be great. The pizza I just ate was delicious. Oh look, this is rice patties. Also, we are now walking to a scenic point, a viewpoint. Actually, the foggy clouds, when you're on top and you don't see anything, it's kinda too bad. But when you're down there looking at the mountain, it's a whole vibe that I love. I found a little pedestrian road. So it's actually an ancient road, and it goes all the way to Kagoshima, apparently. It felt weird though. The whole way to come here was like, this cannot be it. This cannot be it. Because the Google Map, wanted me to go like up a road with cars. And I was like, no, I don't want to do that. And then I saw like this little map in Japanese that was indicating this road, so I came. But yeah, it felt a bit weird, so I was not sure. But there was an indication in English telling that, yeah, you can go upstairs and you walk like 300 meters and then you'll see stairs, and that's the right path. Look, the ground is black because of the volcano. The path is getting smaller and smaller. Why is there always so many stairs? This is great though. Yeah, I'm here. And you can really see well the caldera here. See? Because there is like here the mountain, and here before there was something, and then the lava dome just collapsed here, and that's why you have this like mountain here all around. Then it disappear into the over there, and yeah, this is the caldera. Like everything that is inside collapsed. I'm happy I came here, and there's no one. There's only me. I mean, there was a couple earlier, but they left already, so I'm basically alone here. This is what I love. Remind me why I didn't take this path. This path is easy. It's a path. It's not stairs. Why? Anyway. Well, guys, this is bye for today. See you tomorrow. Tschüss.